Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Honor X8, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 best themes for this device in my humble opinion. Okay, on the third place in my top is Niagara Launcher. So just find it in the Play Store or in the App Gallery and install. Click agree. Set your favorite apps, and here, as you can see, we have really simple interface with really handy feature to find any application. For example, if you want to find Facebook, just swipe your finger to F button, and here, as you can see, I have Facebook, Firefox, Files, and Radio. If you want to find Play Store, just swipe your finger to P button, and here is the Play Store. On the second place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. Find it, click get started, I agree, confirm, continue, while using the app, hello, confirm, continue. You can pay for it, but you can use it completely for free. And great. So here we have really beautiful interface, not minimalistic, yes, but it's really beautiful. Here we have Smart Search. On the left panel we have News, and here we have really handy apps grouping feature. And of course, here we have the best wallpapers gallery ever. So for example, I like this wallpaper. Click apply, wait a while, and great. That's it. So thanks for watching of this launcher. As you can see, this launcher is really great, but if you want to find really best launcher for you, so I suggest you Microsoft Launcher. I have installed, so just find it, Microsoft Launcher, click get started, while using the app, hello, continue, click skip, okay, choose your favorite apps, and let's go. So great, here on the left panel we have Glance panel. In Glance we can set up every favorite widget. So you can set up all your favorite widgets here, and you don't need to swipe between south and home screens to find desired widget. So you can add all your favorite widgets here. And in the apps main menu we can hide applications. For example, I don't need Google Pay in my menu, Mirror, Edge. I don't need Rare, Toolkit, Software Update, Tips, Torch, Diskshare. Click done, and here, as you can see, now I have all these apps. Great. And the best feature of this launcher is gestures. So we can set up, for example, opening any application using the simple gest. As you can see, it works, and it works really great. I suggest to try this feature because this feature is really great. If you want to set one of this launcher as default in the open settings, then find apps, then default apps, choose your home app, and choose, for example, Microsoft Launcher. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye. See you.